Hello guys and welcome to this video. So I'll be teaching you how to use the fisheye effect on Higgsfield AI. And in case you're wondering what Higgsfield AI can do, it's an amazing platform that allows you to create mind-blowing visual, mind-boggling and mind-bending videos and images all with the click of a button. So these are examples of the visual effects you can actually recreate. So all you have to do is to log into the account or create one if you do not have one. Then click on the fisheye section here. It should take you to a page similar to this, and then you see the kind of pictures and images you can actually recreate. So anyone that speaks to you, just let's assume I want to recreate something like this. You can click on it, and then you see the image behind the prompt used to create the image. All you have to do is to click on recreate, and it should take you to a page where you can actually recreate this particular image immediately. So once you're on this page, you can actually modify the prompt to what you want and then generate the image. So you can see that there are so many keywords that were inserted here, so you can actually make sure you slightly change it so that you will not change the whole image. So once you're done, you can actually you can also change the resolution here. You can switch between high and the low. So the high uses about 2 credits to generate your image, while the basic uses the just a single credit to generate your image rather. The aspect ratio can also be changed from this area here. You can switch between any of these, and uh, you can, let me just choose this and you have it. Let me just click on generate, so we'll see what we have. Let's see if we can recreate that in a different aspect ratio. So okay, what we have to do is just wait for a few seconds and our image will be ready for us to modify and download. So we can see our image in the landscape mode here, and that will be it guys. So you can actually animate it by adding video or speech to it and proceed to download it here. So that will be all for now guys. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section, and also please try to subscribe to our channel as we're actively trying to grow. We'll see you guys in the next video. Do have a great day and drink a lot of water.